Feeling tired is normal sometimes, but if you feel tired all the time, it could be a sign that something is wrong. You might feel like you don't have any energy, and you might find it hard to do things that you used to do easily. You can be irritable or more emotional than usual. You might also have trouble concentrating, and that can make it hard to work. If you feel this way, it's time to take it seriously. While fatigue can often be treated with lifestyle changes, it's important to take it seriously and seek medical support, as it can also be a sign of a more serious underlying health condition. But for now, here are simple lifestyle changes to help combat chronic fatigue. Sleep hygiene: why you can't sleep at night. If you're feeling fatigued, take a look at your sleeping routine. Practicing good sleep hygiene can make a big difference in improving your energy levels and overall quality of life. By establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoiding caffeine and electronics before bed, you can set yourself up for a good night's sleep. A well-rested body and mind can lead to improved mood, productivity, and happiness. So why not prioritize your sleep hygiene and start reaping the benefits? If you find yourself struggling to sleep due to worries and stress in your life, know that you're not alone. It's common to try to fix our problems on our own, but carrying the burden can create a negative cycle of sleeplessness and anxiety. It's important to reach out for help and talk about your concerns with a trusted friend or professional. Simply sharing your thoughts and feelings can help ease the pressure and weight of your worries. While talking may not fix your problems, it can help you gain perspective and feel lighter. Don't be afraid to seek support and take care of your mental well-being. You deserve to feel happy and at peace. Stress management in the workplace: how to manage work-related fatigue and burnout. It's no secret that the workplace can be a source of constant stress and pressure. But the question isn't how to avoid it, it's how to respond to it in a healthy way. One way to do this is to create an environment where you have more control over your stress levels. Start by identifying situations that tend to trigger stress for you and brainstorming solutions to address them. Setting boundaries can also be helpful so that you're not constantly giving in to other people's demands. Finally, try practicing breathing exercises or meditation to help manage your emotions and stay calm in stressful situations. These techniques can be done anywhere and at any time, helping you to stay centered and in control. Remember, it's okay to take care of yourself and prioritize your mental well-being, even in the workplace. You are not a doormat. The role of nutrition: what foods should be avoided to reduce fatigue? If you frequently eat fast food and rely on delivery meals, it could be contributing to your fatigue. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you don't have enough time to prioritize your diet, but it's important to shift your mindset and realize that the food you eat is what fuels your body. By making time for a healthy diet, you can improve your energy levels and overall well-being. Don't underestimate the benefits of a nutritious diet, even if you're young and feel like you can get away with eating junk food. Making healthy choices now can have a positive impact on your life for years to come. So prioritize your health and make sure to nourish your body with nutritious, wholesome foods. Try natural remedies for your fatigue. Some natural remedies, such as herbs like ginseng and rhodiola, may help improve energy levels. Chamomile tisane to sleep well. Exercise to beat fatigue. Exercise is not just about losing weight, it's also a great way to feel good and boost your mood. When you exercise, your body releases dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter that makes you feel happy and energized. So if you're feeling fatigued, adding regular physical activity to your routine can help. Even if you don't have time for a full workout, try to find small ways to move your body throughout the day, such as taking a walk on your lunch break or doing some stretches before bed. These small efforts can add up and make a big difference in how you feel. Remember, exercise should be enjoyable and not just a chore. So find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine to help combat fatigue. Don't wait until it's too late. Taking care of our mental health is important, and it's good to recognize the signs that something might be off. One thing to keep in mind is that fatigue and depression are often connected. Feeling constantly tired or lacking energy can be a symptom of depression, and it's important to pay attention to these signs and take action before it gets worse. Don't wait until you're feeling really down to seek help. It's always better to address these issues early on. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness.